In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion for budgeting using the popular 50-30-20 rule, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This method is perfect if you want a clean, simple, and visual way to manage your money without complicated spreadsheets. By the end of this video, you'll have a ready-to-use budget tracker inside Notion that helps you track needs, wants, and savings all in one place. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion on your desktop or browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside Notion, go to the left sidebar and click on New Page. This is where you'll create your budgeting workspace. You can name this page something like Monthly Budget or 50-30-20 Budget, so it's easy to find later. After creating the new page, look at the bottom of the page where you'll see an option called Templates. Go ahead and click on Templates. This opens Notion's template gallery, which has hundreds of ready-made templates created by Notion and the community. In the search bar at the top of the template gallery, type in 50. This helps you quickly find budgeting templates related to the 50-30-20 rule. As you scroll through the results, look for a template called 50-30-20 Budget Tracker. Once you find it, click on it to preview how the template works and what's included. When you're happy with the template, click the Add button. Notion will instantly duplicate the template into your workspace. This means you now have your own editable version and can customize it however you like. Inside the budget tracker, you'll notice different sections already set up for you. These are usually divided into needs, wants, and savings, which is the foundation of the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, groceries, and bills. 30% goes to wants like entertainment, eating out, or hobbies, and 20% goes to savings, such as emergency funds or investments. Now click on the highlighted area or overview section at the top of the template. This area often gives you a summary of your budget and spending. Spend a moment reviewing the highlights so you understand how the numbers update automatically based on what you enter. Next, click into the highlight section to see a more detailed breakdown. This usually shows progress bars or totals that help you quickly understand where your money is going each month. After that, click on the savings section. This is where you can track how much you're putting aside and how close you are to hitting your savings goals. You can customize this section by adding your own categories, adjusting amounts, or changing time periods to match your personal financial goals. As you continue using this template, make it a habit to update your expenses regularly. The more consistent you are, the more powerful this budgeting system becomes. Notion will do the math for you, so you can focus on making smarter financial decisions instead of crunching numbers. And that's it. You've successfully set up a 50-30-20 budget tracker in Notion. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tutorials, budgeting tips, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.